Many of you know that Projecis is a powerful tool when you are managing your internal teams. But have you thought of using Projecis to manage or share information with those outside of your company? You may be working with a variety of entities who are outside of your organization. How do you share information with them? These entities might be consultants, contractors, partner companies, clients, or other service providers. In working with these groups, you may be exchanging information with them via a variety of channels such as emails, meetings, phone calls, minutes, or documents. You may even be using numerous systems that the external entities may already have. With Projecis, you can manage the information among these groups in one place. The information can be siloed between the entities, or if they're on the same project, you can have them share information within the same platform. You control what and how much information is shared, and all that information is maintained in one place. Have you had to spend a lot of time looking for information? Or have you ever had to resend information you previously provided? Projecis can be that one place where team members can share common and current information. With a broad range of tools, including document management, process flow, assignments, and calendar features, you can ensure that you and your teams are on the same page. In this example, I've logged in as Luke Skywalker, and I've opened the project New Product Testing. Luke is a leader on this particular project, and you can see that there are a number of other members on this project. Let's take a look quickly at team perspective. Here you can see that Luke and Chewbacca are from the same company, Skywalker Industries. However, Bail Organa and Padme Amidala are from two different companies. We can also see that both Bail Organa and Padme have one assignment each. Now I can click on their assignments, but let's go to the Milestones tab. I've created a milestone here called Phoenix Phase 1, and if I were to open it up, I can see the two tasks that were created for both Padme and Bail Organa. Because I'm a leader on this project, I can see everyone's tasks and assignments. Additionally, I can click on one of these tasks, view the task, and see if there are any comments associated with it. If I were to type in a comment or attach a file and post the comment, not only is it saved within Projecis, but an email will automatically be sent to the task owner, who in this case is Bail Organa. If I need an update, I just click on Request Status Update and it will send an email to Bail Organa indicating that he should update his task. Now in this screen, I'm logged in as Padme. If I were to open up the milestones and take a look at that milestone that we saw previously, we only see one task. Only leaders and task managers can see everyone's tasks. Otherwise, people only see tasks that are assigned to them. Let's go back to Luke. In addition to assignments, you can share files with people on your team. I've opened up the Files tab and I can see all the files within this particular project. And we can see that there are 3 files. Because there's a globe next to each one of them, it is public, so everybody on this project can see these files. If I were to open up Padme and look at the files, I can also see all 3 files. But with Projecis, you can change the security around any one of these documents and dictate who has access to them. Let's change the property environmental report. Simply click on that particular file, click on Edit Properties, and I can change its security settings. In this case, I'm going to mark it private, and I'm going to say that everybody has access to it with the exception of Padme. And I simply save the changes. Now if we go back to Padme and look at the files again, we'll only see the 2 files that we have access to. Let's go back to Luke and go back to the files. One of the things that we also can do is set effective and expiration dates for files. So let's go ahead and set up an effective and expiration date. We can see here that I've set an effective date between July 26th and October 31st. I can now create reminders based on that date. So I'm going to set it for 7 days prior to the file expiration and assign it to myself by simply clicking on Save, or I can assign it to others by clicking on Group and selecting the persons that should be notified of this expiration. And then saving this. The ability to assign and control assignments as well as files is similar for other areas within Projecis, such as meetings, discussions, news, and so on. With Projecis, everyone can go to one place to get and share current information. Why would you learn their systems when you can use one system that they can easily employ? To learn more about Projecis, go to projecis.com and see how we can help you and your teams.